In this video, we'll review how to convert between degrees and radians. So to begin, remember that a full circle is 360 degrees. Okay, so if a full circle has a measure of 360 degrees, we can convert this to radians. Well, the definition of a radian is the arc length divided by radius. For a full circle, the arc length would be the circumference, or 2 pi r. So if we have 2 pi r divided by the radius, which we'll call r, I can see that I have a radius divided by radius, which will cancel, and that leaves me that the radians of a full circle is 2 pi. Therefore, 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi radians. And I can write that like this, or like this. It's equivalency. 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi radians, just like 2 pi radians is equivalent to 360 degrees. Now, some people don't like this way. It's not fully simplified. You could divide top and bottom by 2, in which case 180 degrees is equivalent to pi radians, or pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. And we can use these to convert. If I want to convert a radians problem to degrees, I'll use either the 360 over 2 pi or the 180 over pi. And to convert degrees to radians, I'll use either 2 pi over 360 or pi over 180. So again, the ones on the left are to convert into degrees. The ones on the right we would use to convert to radians. Now I know that the ones on the left would be the one converting to degrees, because pi is on the bottom, it'll cancel a radian that was given. Alright, so let's look at a couple examples. We're going to convert the first ones from degrees to radians. Now I have degrees. I need to cancel the degrees and end up with radians, usually expressed in terms of pi. So I'm going to pick the one that has the pi on top, which is the 2 pi, is equivalent to 360. If I multiply, 30 times 2 is 60, so I get 60 pi over 360, and then I just need to reduce the fraction. 60 divided by 360 would be 1/6. I get 1/6 pi, or better yet, just to say it's pi over 6. That would be the radians equivalent to 30 degrees. Now go ahead and try the 45 degrees. Pause the video. When you're done, zoom it, check your answer. Alright, 45 degrees. Again, we want to cancel degrees and in radians, so we'll multiply by that 2 pi over 360. 45 times 2 is 90, so we get 90 pi over 360. Reduce the 90 over 360. 90 goes into 360 4 times, so you get pi over 4, or 1/4 pi. Now for the next two, I'm already given the radians measurement, and I want to convert it to degrees. So I'll flip it. I'll multiply by the 360 over 2 pi. 3 times 360 is the 1080. 2 times 2 is 4, and you got a pi down there, so it's 4 pi. Well, 1080 pi over 4 pi, pi's cancel, and it leaves me with 1080 divided by 4. 1080 divided by 4 is 270 degrees. So, like before, pause the video, work out letter B, check your answer, resume the video when you're ready. So for this problem, we're taking that 11 pi over 6, and we want to cancel the pi. To convert it to degrees, we're going to pick the 360 over 2 pi. 11 times 360 is 3,960. We still have a pi. 6 times 2 is 12, and again, we still have a pi. Now the pi's are going to cancel, and the 3,960 divided by 12 is 330 degrees. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helped you understand how to convert from degrees to radians.